Hi, everybody. Welcome to Creative Pouring. I'm Cheryl. Today, I'm going to do this new mold I just got. Okay, I've got my 4 mica powders that I picked out: white, rose red, deep blue, and emerald green. Those are just my mica powders that I have. I'm going to mix up 4 different colors. All right, I've got all 4 of my colors mixed up. I'm going to put them in my split cup. Make sure it's clean. Okay, I've had this split cup for a very long time. I'm going to go with white in one of the centers. And I'm just putting all of it in there. I'm not going to try to save any in the cup. We'll go green in the center here next to it. And blue and red on either sides. Some of these cups are smaller than the others. Or I got a little bit more in one than I did the other cup. All right. Hopefully everything is... Let's see how I can do this. Okay, bring this over here. By the way, this is Tea Expert resin that I'm using. I'm going to turn it as I'm doing it a little bit. Wow, I had plenty. Look at that. Okay, let me squish down here just to make sure there's no bubbles in the bottom, hopefully. All right, we will go ahead and top it up the best we can. Oops. And I will be back tomorrow to unmold it. We'll see you then. It's demolding day. Let's go ahead and get this out. It looks good from what I can see on the outside here. I just used isopropyl alcohol to break the seal. As you can see, it's broke. How it's got all that white around it. It doesn't like me today. I can't get it. Try this again. I guess it dried up. You can either use isopropyl alcohol down in there, or you can use soapy water. That works too. Wow, this is just not wanting to let go. There we go. That was fun. Well, let's see. Oh, that turned out amazing. Look at those colors. They stayed apart because I let it sit for a few minutes and warm up. That's amazing. Wow. I think I'll try that technique again on other colors and different things. That looks beautiful. It's just a little bit melted together. Not melted, a little bit blended together there. See? But it still stayed completely separate in parts. I may have a bubble or two on top here, but that'll be all right. Don't forget, I've got my membership down below. I've got 2 tiers. Go ahead and check them out. All you have to do is hit that join button. It'll tell you all about it. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this pour as much as I did. If you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and